Pieter has been the godfather of lipid nanoparticle systems and lipid-based nanomedicines in general. We're talking over 40 years of science that's gone into developing some of these things, the contributions to the field, both from an academic context, industrial context, approved products.
I remember his papers describing lipid nanoparticles that use ionizable cationic lipids that were a brand new finding. To me, revolutionized lipid nanoparticles. They gave an effective and, most importantly, safe way to deliver nucleic acids into an animal or a person.
And so what he's created is a delivery mechanism which has enormous potential, I would say, yet to be fully exploited. So I think it's terrifically exciting. I was absolutely blown away by what he had achieved. What I understand from his laboratory and his team and the way that they have really transformed the life sciences industry here, particularly in BC, but around the world, through the work that they've done over decades.
Pieter has great vision in terms of using new technologies to advance the field of medicine, which has really been quite revolutionary for the mRNA vaccines. There are now over 600 clinical trials that are using these lipid nanoparticle platform to deliver gene therapy. It is really exciting to see some of the work that is going to spin out from this. For example, the use of gene editing to remove some of the mutative faulty genes in different diseases.
We're taking advantage of, our knowledge of the molecular biology that goes on inside a cell. I think it's going to become the dominant form of healthcare. Some people are predicting that 30-40% of new drugs that are going to be approved by, say, within 10 years are going to be these genetic medicines. The advent of much more personalized therapies that really treat what the particular disorder an individual has.
One of the magical things about Pieter is that he's always learning. Being in that learning mindset makes him an ideal sort of mentor for students and trainees and others. And I can't imagine how much fun it would be to sit around a table with Pieter and try and strategize the next way to get this technique to work, or how this startup company is going to get the funding and all of these things.
He goes into a problem open-minded and then continues to make it better.
I think we are all anticipating a big revolution in nanomedicine, but also in modern medicine in the next 5 years, as more of these early concepts is becoming reality in terms of treating diseases that was previously untreatable.
Pieter's work has really led to life-changing, life-saving solutions for patients.
To any young people who are in universities thinking about careers, this is an amazing field to be in. There's so much that we can do that will stem from this foundational work that Pieter has done.
It's a very exciting time in medicine right now. That's really what motivates me. We're moving into a whole different sphere. If a cell isn't making a particular protein, well, let's have it make that protein. Pretty much every disease you care to name can be treated by gene therapy. It really is a revolution.
Innovator in the field of lipid nanotechnology and trailblazer behind the first approved RNA interference therapeutic and the groundbreaking COVID-19 vaccines. Canadian Medical Hall of Fame laureate, Dr. Pieter Cullis.